Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make whole grain rice. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna pour corn oil, add crushed garlic clove, washed whole grain rice, and stir fry. Pour water, add cooking salt, and mix together. Put the lid on and cook for about 30 minutes. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!